Hello everyone and welcome to Simplified CCC Computer Fundamental Training Video Series. Myself Andra and I am your trainer. So today we are going to discuss about the architecture of the computer that can be input and output devices. I will tell you what are they. Let's start. So very first let's discuss about the input devices. What are input devices? It is a hardware that has the ability to accept the process data. Means it is a way that allows user to communicate and feed instruction and data to the computer. These are the components. We can say components or hardware or any physical device that we can touch, that we connect with the computer to give some instructions or data or any task to perform, or any instruction to task, instruction to related to task we can give through this. Or we can also say that it is a medium between the user and computer. A medium, or we can it also can be said as the bridge between the computer and user, which connect somehow each other. So these are the input devices. Let me give you some example to understand this. So very first and very widely used input device is the keyboard device, as we know, and it is the first peripheral device, or we can say hardware used as an input device. It helps to input text or number in a computer, or we can say alphabets in a computer. It has 104 keys in totality and 12 separate function keys, as you see in the image. These all are 104 keys, and at the above you can see there are 12 functional keys which have their own use. Next is the mouse. It is another input device that also known as the pointing device. It helps in highlighting the content, or if you want to see the properties or details for any tool or any software, you can use the right click of this mouse. And in further videos we are going to show you more uses and properties of mouse. Next is the trackball. Trackball is also an pointing device, and it contains a ball housed in the socket, and it is also used as a mouse. Next is the scanner. It transfers printed material, you can say printed material, or you can say the hard copy or any photography into a digital representation. Basically we can say it used to scan your hard copy or any paper documentation on your computer. For example, if you are filling an online form, there you need to give your photo and digital signatures, so you can do it very easily by the scanner. So these are the input devices. Let's move on to output devices. Output devices are also a hardware, and it has the ability to represent as output. As simple we can say it is an device that used to send data from a computer to another device or user. Both can be the option. These are also said as the medium or bridge, as same as the input between the user and the computer. So these are the similar with the input devices, but the functioning is different. That takes the input and it is used for the output. These are the components that are connected to show the output. So let's see the examples of output. The very first or very widely used output device is the printer. It is very commonly used, common type of output device, and it prints the text, document and images on a paper. If you want to any presentation or any document print on a paper, you can use the printer for that. Next is the sound system, and it is also an type of output devices. As you take the example of a speaker, if we connect speaker to the computer, it gives us the sound and music that you are seeing in the your monitor, seeing on the monitor. It gives the give the sound from that, and that is the output from the computer. And you can take the many examples like microphones or headphones or video screen file. And next is the plotter. It is a type of printer. If you want a drawing paper, means if you want a drawing on a line paper drawing, if you want a line paper drawing, it helps you to draw the line drawing art, because it has connected pen. Here you can see this is the pen. By with the use of this you can draw a line drawing paper. So if you want to print that type of paper, you can use this. Next is the projector. Simply say projector, or the image projector we can also say. It is an optical device that project an image commonly, but we can also use it for a video images, or video also. And basically, and most commonly it is used for the presentation in business or in any other offices or college or school. We can use the projector for giving our presentation on a wide screen. So these are the input and output devices. I hope you like the video and understand all very clearly. So if you like our video, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube and Pinterest. Thank you.